Well, we've seen storms produce a lot of hail over the last few days.
Sure have. And this week's Anello Answers It, we're looking at the way hail size can actually determine what kind of damage you may face on your home. Here's meteorologist Grace Anello with those details.
That's right, Dan and Marie. So we've seen our fair share of hail and honestly plenty more expected over the course of the next few weeks. But exactly how big does hail get and how much damage can it cause? Well, first let's look at things in a more realistic way. Now we have all these different scales of how big hail can get, but what's most common in our area is more towards the left of your screen. So talking about pea size, quarter size, and even ping pong ball sized hail are very common in our area. But just in the course of the last few weeks, we've seen up to tennis ball and even baseball sized hail right here in the Tennessee Valley. Now, the big thing that determines how big hail gets is not the temperature, it's the strength of the updraft in a thunderstorm. You see, air moves towards the bottom of a thunderstorm and then is funneled up into the cloud. That's what provides strength, and that's what makes the hailstone bounce around. Each time the hailstone goes up and down and up and down, it grows. So the stronger that updraft is, the bigger our hailstone gets. Take a look at 40 to 46 miles an hour. That's what gives us penny and nickel sized hail. Therefore, what's very common in our area. But if we make it to 69 miles an hour, that's when we're looking at hen egg sized hail, which is getting pretty close to that 1.5 inch mark. Now, the big question is, when does hail size really need to start mattering to me? Well, the answer is about 1 inch in diameter. Now, any hail can cause damage, but we'll start to see significant structure damage and vehicular damage when we see hail of about 1 inch. And that's what happened to this car in this photo with that 1 inch sized hail. Well, that's all for Anello Answers It this week. If you have a weather question, be sure to email it to me at gnello@waytv.com because I would love to hear from you.